Hi, I'm Jen, if you didn't know, and I'm going to do a interesting remodel, a temporary remodel. So, a little bit about me. This right here, this is what I live in because my fiance and I travel full-time. So during this quarantine, this coronavirus pandemic going on, we are actually out here. As you can see back behind me, this farm. We are on on Barry's parents' farm. So we're staying put during all of this. So during this time, they have decided to let me use the loft in their barn. I know nothing about barns. I'm not a farm girl at all. So this right here is going to be my temporary gym. So I'm going to show it to you. So let's go see. I've only been up here one time. As you can see, I don't know anything about it. So we're going up these steps. So I'm going to do this remodeling project. It's going to be interesting. It's dark in here, sorry about that. Okay, so I put a little scan around here so you can see what I'm dealing with. They don't use this, obviously. Look at that. And look here. Ooh, I'm gonna fall. Look at this, isn't this hilarious? That used to be a haunted house, is what they used it for. Okay, so let's go check this out. Okay. This is open here, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do with any of this. It's nice and empty down here, but I'm worried about the flooring on that. So I'm gonna use this middle section, is what I'm thinking. Who knows, I may change my mind. Use this middle section. Here you can see all the way down through there. And I have some equipment that we're going to throw in here. I usually just have some basic smaller equipment that I carry with us as we travel. But I also have a bench. It's actually a foldable bench, so we can travel with it, but we haven't yet. But I have a foldable bench. Barry has a squat rack, an Olympic bar with some plates that he has stored. So we're gonna put that in here. Kettlebells, dumbbells, whatever we have. So during this time, we're just gonna use what we have. I do wanna order some battle ropes because I've wanted to get those for a while. I don't know if I will right now during all this, but we will see. So we're gonna use this as our gym. Normally, like all my programs that I write for my clients are all at home workouts already, and I do those as well, but sometimes it's fun to just change it up. And if I have this opportunity to use this space and make a makeshift temporary gym with it, why not? So I just wanted to show you what we're working with, and that's what I'm going to be showing you in these next few episodes. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and click this like button if you like it. If you have any comments, any ideas, any cool stuff that you have that I could do to this area with very low cost, put that down in the comments. And I put down in the comments if you think this is a good idea or not. Just say yes or no if it's a good idea. So let me know, and I will see you next time. Bye. And he's gonna cut that carpet out of here, and I'm prepared. Wearing my boots.